Nigerian people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name na Neyi. And make a sharply yarn on some story we say it just happened. The former governor of Kaduna State, wey name Nasir El-Rufai, don come talk say he not get interest again to become minister. We go work under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu cabinet, and he hand this talk they give President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on Tuesday, August 8, 2023. As he come talk, say he go contribute to the development of Nigeria as a private citizen. The ogbonge human activists wey name be Deji Adeyanju don come dey provoke with the yarn, say they wan increase the price of fuel again. Come dey laugh, say this one na real or your mandate we shall stand. Say people go soon get both leg as they dey stand. One driver wey dey follow one way come dey drive anyhow don go jam one full family of 5 people dem. The husband, the wife, and their 3 children, even their house help even follow for the people that wey say e jam take by. And this gbege happen for inside Umudibia community, that maternity junction close to Federal Polytechnic in Nekede, Owerri, inside Imo State on Sunday, August 5th, 2023. The Nigeria Ikoloba police talk person wey name be CSP Olumiwa Adejobi don come dey yarn say they don arrest the Ikoloba policemen dem wey say the Osun State Speaker of House of Assembly catch them where they harass some innocent citizens dem and also dey collect bribe from drivers dem. As he come yarn say they go take necessary action against all these policemen dem. The Niger military leaders don come dey issue out warning and threat say they go kpai the Niger president wey be Mohamed Bazoum wey dey use force take comot am from seat. If ECOWAS go try to use military force to fight against them so they go fit bring back the democratic president, say that one be say the life of the Niger president wey be Mohamed Bazoum go dey at risk. The people of Okrika local government area don dey vex dey provoke after wey plenty of their fish wey dey for the river come dey float on top the river because of oil wey be say e pour full all the river, and na because of the explosion of one fuel dump for inside Okari jetty na im make all the fish dem take kpai. And on Thursday, August 10, 2023, na im dey come out come yarn this talk say even 2 fishermen dem dey kpai because of the explosion wey happen. Nigerians dem don come shocktalize after wey dem come see plenty crowd dem wey full the Nigeria embassy as dem wan japa comot from inside Nigeria because of the hardship and suffering wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. And na for United Kingdom embassy wey dey for Nigeria na im dey see this plenty crowd. The People Democratic Party wey be PDP don come accuse Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC say dem set dummy take give Nigerians after wey dem promise Nigerians dem say dem go give dem better, free and fair election by using technology for the 2023 general election. And na the acting chairman of PDP wey be Umar Dambagun na im come out come yarn this talk for inside Abuja on Thursday, August 10th, 2023. The Southeast Governors Forum don come out to come yarn as they come join body take talk say the indigenous people of Biafra leader wey be Nnamdi Kanu say e no dey connected with all the kasala and all the crime wey dey cause insecurity for inside Southeast region. As they come yarn say the people wey say that they cause all this gbege for inside Southeast region say that they use IPOB just dey cover face, dey commit evil, and they talk this talk on Thursday, August 10, 2023. The leaders of Economic Community of West African States wey be ECOWAS don come out to come here and say the military action wey they talk say they wan take against Niger Republic military army dem wey say they collect power by force come pursue the democratic government to take comot. Say that war no be between Nigeria and Niger Republic. Say that war na between ECOWAS and Niger Republic. And na the Ivorian president wey im name be Alassane Ouattara na im come out to come yarn this talk.
I'd like to say that ECOWAS cannot accept this. This is not a matter of Nigeria against Niger, not at all. The decision that we have made today, and I hope it will be implemented immediately, is a decision of ECOWAS.
The operative of Ikoloba Police Command for inside Enugu State don arrest 3 gunmen dem and some other ones that come run, come escape with plenty injury after wey they exchange gun war with Ikoloba Police for inside Imufu community, Igweze, North local government area of Enugu State. And on top Twitter, na Ikoloba Police come out come yarn this talk on Friday, August 11, 2023. One bus driver don come drive come lose control as he come jam one woman wey dey sell something near the road take kpai with im 2-year-old daughter for inside Ikotu area of Lagos State on Thursday, August 10, 2023. And also another trader wey be say dem dey inside their shop, na so the bus come go jam their shop wey made dem take wunjure for there. Some youth for inside Agoloma community inside Patani local government area of Delta State don come show their power as dem come use rope to take drag one car wey go fall enter inside one river, come drag the car take come out, and some other youth dem come swim enter inside the river to help take push the car take come out. The Benue State young man wey name be Emi Wunks wey be say he start to ride bicycle from Benue State to Lagos State say because he wan meet the ogbonge artist wey be Davido. As he come yarn, he say he don reach Edo State inside Benin City o, but Davido come reply and come tell am say make him go back, but make him send the account number. Say when he go there around, he go let her know. Say he go come, make two of them see one-on-one.
Yes, na Bishop Music Club. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.